Solve the trigonometric equation cos theta is equal to minus 0.5 for theta between 0 and 360 degrees. Okay, remember there are two methods, so we'll look at the graphical method first of all. We've got that cos theta is equal to minus 0.5. Cos to the minus 1 of minus 0.5 is 120 degrees. So note that the calculator will only give values of cos to the minus 1 of a between 0 and 180 degrees. Right, if we now go to the graph, so here what we've got is the graph of cosine, is the positive part, okay, and it just continues that way. Okay, so we're going to have one answer here, and we are solving this between 0 and 360, not minus 360. So we've got another answer here. So how do I get the other answer? Well, if 120 is a solution, then for cosine and cosine only, minus 120 is also a solution. And what you do is you go back to that one and then just add 360 degrees to it to get to 240, which is the other solution, because the period of the graph of cosine is 360 degrees. So just repeat that. You're going to get one solution at 120 from your calculator. You then go back to the same value, 120, but make it negative, and then add 360 to get 240 for the second solution. This is how this works. Okay, so there's a picture of the graph I just made. So we're going to have that theta, one angle is 120, or the other, you go back to minus 120 and then you add 360, because this period here is 360 degrees. To get the next solution. Okay, that's going to give me 120, or minus 120 plus 360, which is 240. Now, going to the other method, which is the method I told you like I preferred in my previous video, South Asian Tennis Club. You start with the idea that cos theta is equal to minus 0.5. We notice here that it is negative. It's minus 0.5. But we do cos to the minus 1 of the positive value only. So here, always just take that value and make it positive. The calculator will give 60 degrees. This gives the equivalent acute angle. So this angle here will always be acute. You then draw your South Asian Tennis Club. Remember, 0, 90, 180, 270, 360. Normally, perhaps you wouldn't write that in. First, second, third, and fourth. Remember, South Asian Tennis Club tells me here that in the first quadrant all positive, in the second quadrant sine is only positive, in the third quadrant tangent is only positive, and in the fourth quadrant cosine is positive. Now what do I want to find? I want to find where it's negative. Where is cosine negative? Well, it's negative here in the second and the third quadrant, because only tangent and sine is positive here and tangent is positive here. So cosine is negative in the second and third quadrants. So what I do is I go to these quadrants and then I make an angle 60 degrees with the x-axis. So there's the first one, and then I do another one only with the x-axis. Remember, I'm solving between 0 and 360, so I'm only going to go that way around my circle, positive way, anti-clockwise. So I'm going to vote the first angle will be this one here, from here to here. So I get that one by doing 180 minus 60. And the second angle will be this one all the way around to here. So I get that one by doing 180 plus 60, and that will give me 120 like I got before, and 180 plus 60 gives me 240. Okay, so I find this method much easier than just using the graph. Okay, I hope you've understood. This has been a video to show you how to solve a trig equation using a graphical method and the idea called South Asian Tennis Club or cast to find the remaining angles. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.